Okay, so I live in Michigan, and it's about like 65 degrees out right now. It's late October. This is like the best weather in the world. Today's going to be a great day. I'm going to my brother's house, and we're going to make a video with the Elantra again, which it's been a really long time. That's exciting. And again, I'm sick, so I kind of sound a little ass, but it's all right. We're taking the Civic today instead of the 370Z. I actually still have the Civic. It's still for sale. I'm not going to take the Z because there's like zero gas.
Well, we can like kind of show like unboxing, right, too?
Yeah.
And whenever you're ready, we can do the intro.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Hey guys, sorry it's been a while. we know we're super busy. Patrick moved out. I'm redoing the garage. We'll be back to it. So anyways, today we've got the 6-element titanium mid-pipe. Titanium is just for the cool factor. I'm sure it's marginally lighter, but it's just way cooler. So this mid-pipe's a full 3 inches. It deletes the resonator too. And as you can see, it's pretty substantial. I mean, it really is basically the whole run length of the car, obviously minus the downpipe. So it's pretty substantial, as you can see. And yeah, full 3 inches all the way through. People have said it sounds really, really good. I don't know if there's been any videos with their downpipe as well. Using some old content, we'll do like a before and after and stuff like that, because we have a lot of audio stuff with just the downpipe, and I mean, we technically have audio before any of that even. So we'll install this, do some sound impressions, and try to get some high quality sound, because that hasn't really been out there yet. So yeah, get to it.
Yeah, it's
Beefy boy,
it's a big boy.
Yeah.
Good
Oh, very good welds,
schmelds,
yeah.
good schmelds there.
Yeah, I don't know if welding titanium is easier. Like generally, like aluminum's very tough.
Yeah.
Steel is pretty easy usually, like mild steel.
Huh.
I don't really know how titanium is.
Yeah.
It's a little nice too, because it's like 6th hardware as well coming out, because that would we were replace that part in the downpipe. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot easier when things are new, to be fair.
Yeah.
Okay, without hardware, but with the hanger.
Yeah, 24.8.
24.8, yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of more than I thought.
It's also the cutest resonator in the world.
Okay, but yeah, but
It's so-
apparently it
it's
does
so small.
something.
I love
I'm
it.
with you, but if
It's so cute.
well tuned, then.
Look at how, like, my hand is bigger than
Yeah,
that. It's
yeah.
crazy.
So because this is 2 pieces, I'm also gonna hold the hardware to put them together, as that would make sense. So realistically, there's about a what, 8-9 pound difference? Right? It's not bad.
Now picking it up, it felt like PVC or something.
Right,
Not
right,
even
exactly.
PVC is kind of heavy. That felt like just, I don't even know.
Yeah, it's really light. Okay, so let me see if there's any included hardware. I don't think there was. So they have dimples to clock the 2 clamps, but it's built in. I mean, I would assume, unless I'm just dumb, I would assume that it's gonna go over like that to clock and position it and kind of like retain it.
Yeah.
That's pretty badass. Again, it's a little, I know, I feel like it's just been in the engineering world for too long. You kind of like really appreciate like stuff like that. It makes it like impossible to install wrong, and yeah, it's probably just better in general. You know if anything's slipping or whatnot, so it's pretty badass. Oh God, it's got my glove. There you go. Yeah, okay, there we go. And that's an eco mode. And that's
Yeah, a little bit.
idle and end mode.
All right, we're gonna go take it for a quick little drive, get some sound clips, just see how it overall sounds. I haven't been in this car for a while, to be honest, so I kind of have no idea what it sounds like before.
That's normal. But I will say, I probably have to tighten up a clamp. I do hear a little bit of a rattle already, but that being said, I don't really hear any change at all in this is eco.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's
barely hear any exhaust noise at all. Really.
Yeah. That is the best thing. You
They're
gotta keep
great.
the valves. The valves are so nice.
Yeah, even that. I'm not gonna get a catback. I don't see any point. But like even the aftermarket catback systems, they keep the valves too.
Yeah.
They just have a fucking hole in the exhaust, and that's all you really need for it. So. I would say so far there is more pronounced pops.
Yeah.
The pops themselves are maybe a little bit deeper in tone and louder in volume.
Okay.
See if we can go a little bit without killing people during rush hour.
Holy.
It's been a while, right?
Oh my God. Wow. Those pops are gnarly.
Yeah. Again, they're exactly like OEM, I guess, but they're like the volume's, I don't know, 10+% higher.
Yeah.
Like it's the same like character in it. That it's not doing anything different per se.
At wide open throttle, is it like basically the same?
It's basically the same.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit louder. This car's also always been really good at like. It's kind of got like the German car thing a little bit, where like you don't realize how loud it is inside the car.
Yeah.
Same with Dad's like E92, right? Like, but like, you know, when I was in the garage like revving it at you and Brenda, you said it was like ear shattering. I was like, I didn't hear anything, you know. Yeah. So it's a lot different in that aspect.
Yeah. Sounds sick though.
Yeah. And you can brake boost these cars like. Again, it's low boost. We're down like 20 wheel.
Holy.
That's what I'm saying. I think it's like it's oddly so much louder.
Oh my God.
On the outside than it is on the inside.
That's crazy. Right? You have to hear that outside one day.
Yeah.
It's nuts. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
looks so sick.